Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and today what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions video for you guys and gals. So this is going to be my unboxing and first impressions of the Google Pixel 2 XL. Alright, and in particular this is another product that I picked up from one of my favorite sellers. I'll throw the pricing and the seller up on the screen so y'all know exactly who I bought it from, but I picked this up in used good condition, and like I said in my update video, the Pixel XL was getting a little old and it was time to upgrade. So I already told y'all the next one in the series was the 2XL, so we picked it up at a really great price as y'all see on the screen, and we're gonna go ahead and put it through its paces as well, and we might even have a few comparisons between the A50 and the Pixel 2 XL. Y'all let me know if that's a video y'all will be interested in seeing down below in the comments. But a little bit of housekeeping first before we dive into this unboxing and first impressions, pseudo style, because this is not going to come with all the original accessories. This is going to come with third-party accessories, and y'all see we don't get the original 2XL packaging. We just got that plain white box. I know y'all seen the unboxings where I got that plain white box. Alright, but a little bit of housekeeping first. This whole video here today is being recorded with the 25 megapixel rear facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy A50. And keeping up with the testing, the last video y'all saw was in 4K at 30 FPS, so we bumped this one down. This one is going to be in 1080p at 30 FPS, and then we're going to have another video for y'all at 720p 30 FPS, so y'all can see all the different quality of the videos in similar lighting. So this is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external audio. So please let me know what y'all think of the audio performance and the overall video quality. Alright, and once again we are using the Open Camera app here today, so it should be a nice frame for y'all. It shouldn't be as punched in as some of the other camera tests you guys and gals are gonna see. Alright, so housekeeping out the way, now let's dive into this unboxing and first impressions, and I'm gonna do a little side-by-side comparison for y'all as well. That's why I got the Pixel XL out of its case. We're gonna do a side-by-side comparison, and I did pick up an additional case for the 2XL, but it hasn't came yet, so I'll throw in the B-roll on the video so y'all can see what the case looks like. It's a Dretal case. I also picked it up from Amazon. Alright, and I'll link up everything that I picked up for the 2XL down below in the video description. So the device itself and the case will all be available down below in the video description at some really great prices. Y'all already know how we do. Alright, now let's get started. Now, a little bit of prep work. Now I unboxed the device, cut all the tape and plastic, I charged it up to 100%, and I dropped it out to the main home screen, and then I tried my Sims in it just to make sure it works. Now, sadly, just like with the original Pixel XL, this model, although it's marketed as globally unlocked, for some strange reason, neither of these two models work with my T-Mobile TextNow SIM, but they both work with my Verizon Straight Talk SIM and my Free Up Mobile AT&T SIM. So I don't know why these two devices are hating on T-Mobile TextNow, but it's not working for me with the T-Mobile TextNow SIM, but it is working with the AT&T Free Mobile and the Straight Talk Verizon. So I don't know what the issue is there, but these two models are supposed to be both globally unlocked. Maybe I need a T-Mobile Direct SIM, but ain't nobody gonna pay those T-Mobile Direct prices. So it is what it is. Now, just wanted to get that out the way. Now let's crack the box. Now, just so y'all can see, this is a plain white box. All we got on the side is a barcode scanner for information, and it does tell you what the device is in the black color, and this is in good condition. Like I said, I bought this used in good condition. Alright, so nothing else, plain white box. Crack the box here. Alright, and you do see we got some third-party accessories here. So we got a third-party USB-A to USB-C cable, looking good. Alright, and then we have a third-party Amazon branded power brick here. And this is not the fast power brick, this is a 5-watt 2-amp power brick, as y'all can see right there. Get that to focus. Get that close up for y'all. Bow. Alright, so definitely some third-party accessories, and y'all can see the Amazon branding right there. I did pick this up from Amazon. Alright, so yeah, so we didn't get original accessories, we didn't get the original charging brick, and we didn't get the original packaging, but it is what it is. And then we have the device in here. So here is the 2XL, the Pixel 2 XL. Alright, good stuff. And there's nothing else in the box here. So let me clear this out of here real quick. Now y'all know I got some nice high quality cables, so we're not going to use these. But nice to see they did include some in the box. And now let's take a closer look at the device. Now let's do a real quick walk around. So up front here, we have a 6-inch display. It's supposed to be a 6-inch 2K display. Alright, it looks like we do have dual front firing speakers. Our 8-megapixel camera right there. Along the side, you can see we got our volume rockers and our power button. Now something that I'm kind of sad about, if we make this comparison real quick. First things first, I'm happy for the size, but if I get y'all close up here, y'all can see that the original has a ridged power button. The new one has both smooth power buttons, so I'm not happy about that. Okay, and another comparison that I gotta make quickly, the new one has a curved display and the original one had a flat display. Y'all know I'm a fan of that flat display, so I'm not happy about that either. But I am happy for the size increase. So you can see there's a noticeable size increase between these, and I'm happy for the dual front firing speakers. Love that. Now, this particular model of the 2XL is the 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of onboard storage variant. Okay, y'all can see pretty much straightforward. So volume buttons, power button, dual front firing speakers on the front. We got one of our microphones up there. We have a SIM slot here. Now there's no micro SD expansion on this, so it's all onboard storage. Then we got our 12 megapixel wide angle camera with our flash, and we got our fingerprint sensor and some Google branding. All right, then down at the bottom, got that USB Type-C on deck. All right, and just so y'all can see, quick comparison again, I like how they adjusted the design on this from the regular XL to the 2XL. So they shrink that glass window at the top, and they added more emphasis on the cameras and the flash, and they bumped up the fingerprint sensor just a touch. Okay, but honestly, if I had to tell y'all which design I prefer from 1 to 2, I like the matte feel of the 2XL, but I like the flat display of the Pixel XL. So they could have kept this matte and just brought it over here. And I'm kind of sad that we did lose the headphone jack. Okay, so y'all can see we do have the front firing speakers as opposed to the bottom firing speakers, but we did lose that headphone jack. So going from the 1XL to the 2XL, no more headphone jack. So it's either you get that dongle or you live in that Bluetooth lifestyle. So hashtag wireless lifestyle. Y'all know we already trying to live that hashtag wireless lifestyle. But just a real quick comparison for y'all so you can see. Now let's power up the device. I'm gonna verify the storage, and then we're gonna wrap the video up. So let's go. Pushing the power button. It's gonna boot up. Now another thing that I noticed is that this display does have some scratches on it, but when the display is on, you can't tell. So this is definitely a device that's in good condition, not good like new, not refurbished like new, definitely good condition. Because I did notice when the display is off, you can notice that there's some scratches on the display. Now the cameras are having a hard time picking it up, but if I tilt it in the right light, you can see right there. But as long as the display is on, not gonna have any issues. And another thing I'm happy to see is that with the 2XL, they have the always on display. Alright, now with the 1XL, if you root it, you could flash some software to give it an always on display. But with the 1XL, they have the ambient display and the tap to wake. So it's really cool to see that now you have the always on display, but you also still do have the tap to wake. So that's really cool as well. And you can see we got that big, beautiful 6-inch display. So good stuff there. Now let me unlock this, put in my little password. Device is going to start up, and then here is the display of the Google Pixel 2 XL. Now I have not done anything to this device. As I've told y'all, all I did was install the applications to verify that service works. So the only app that I have installed here is the Text Now app that y'all can see right there. And unfortunately, I couldn't get this bad boy to work on T-Mobile Text Now. But everything else y'all see on here came on the device, okay? And I stopped all the updates and all that good stuff so y'all can see the available storage. So nothing but Google apps on here. Y'all can see, so Google Camera, Calendar, Calculator, Docs, Drive, Files Go, Duo, straight Google apps here. Play music, play movies, all that stuff. All right. Now, this is running on, I think it's running on Android 9, but it does have the Android 10 update ready to go. I just killed it because I wanted y'all to see the available storage, and I didn't want to have anything running in the background. So you can see we definitely got a stock Android device here. All right. See all the stock toggles and things. All right. Now let's jump into the settings and check out the storage. So y'all can see now, because I was verifying different things, y'all can see the battery is down to 83%. All right. And y'all can see the storage. So got 15% used out of the box. Let's see just how much that is. So out of 64 gigabytes, the available storage is using up 9.51 gigs. And then we have that amount of storage left. Alright, so not bad. And y'all can see I haven't installed anything on this device. Alright, so good stuff. You got about 54 gigs and change left. Alright, not bad at all. Now, first impressions, it seems pretty smooth. And for the Sims that I did get to work, it worked without issue. Like, I dropped my Verizon Sim in there, picked it up, within a matter of seconds, it was ready to go. I didn't even have to restart my device. Now, for the AT&T, it did pick it up, but I still had to go and configure the APNs. So you can see if I turn off Wi-Fi, we do have LTE showing up right up there, and it does work. Let me just show y'all that it works. Let's verify this. So let's kill all these apps. Alright, y'all can see that update is waiting for me, ready to go. But now let's jump into the browser, and y'all can see it loads up. Alright, now let's click on something real fast. Let's click on this A50 right here. Y'all can see it loads up. So it is running over LTE without issues. So good stuff there. So the data is working. Now, as I said, I was kind of bummed to see that I couldn't get it to work on Text Now T-Mobile, but it's working on Verizon and it's working on AT&T, no problems. All right, so just wanted to shoot this real quick unboxing and first impressions for you guys and gals. Now, y'all know I'm a big fan of Pixel devices, so I really feel as though I'm going to enjoy this. Now, I do have to approach this very warily because this Pixel 2 XL is not manufactured by HTC. This one is actually manufactured by LG, and my history with LG devices on the channel is not too good. So if it was manufactured by HTC, I wouldn't have a problem. I'd be ready to go. But just for those of you who don't know, The 2XL, the small one, the Pixel 2 is manufactured by HTC. The Pixel 2 XL is manufactured by LG. Alright, y'all know I had my fair share of issues with LG products, like my G6, the fingerprint sensor died twice, my LG Nexus 4, that one randomly died and the screen cracked all by itself. My LG 5X, my Nexus 5X, that one had motherboard and chipset issues, so much so I had to put it in for repair so many times. So my history with LG products is not the best, but I can say this: when the LG products work properly, they work beautifully. Like, the one LG product that I didn't have any issues with was the LG V30. That's a really good device. Now, the only problem I have with the LG V30 is the front-facing camera is a little trash, okay? And the fact that the wide-angle camera on the V30 doesn't give you focus controls, yeah, I'm not liking that. So, but other than that, kind of wary about this one, but we're gonna go into it with an open mind, and hopefully it turns out good. So this pretty much does it from my unboxing and first impressions of the Google Pixel 2 XL. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. As always, if you guys and gals did enjoy this video and or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if this video piqued your interest, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos like this. And if your interest is piqued, all the links to this product right here, as well as a recommended case, will be linked up down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, now I didn't pick up any screen protectors for this because it has a curved display, and screen protectors on curved displays is a really big struggle. So we're just gonna go into this one with no screen protector and hope for the best. Worst case scenario, if I do need full protection, I could just jump on Amazon and find a full protective case with a built-in screen protector for the 2XL. But for as of right now, we're just gonna rock the one case on the device and see what happens. Now, I'm gonna use this device for a good amount of time before I come out with my full review for it, so y'all be on the lookout for that. I'm not gonna give y'all a definite time because I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're gonna run through everything. Now, a few things that you gotta take with a grain of salt when we get to the full review is that this is a used device, so it does have a used battery, so the battery life isn't gonna be as good as if I had bought it brand new. And honestly, these are kind of hard to find brand new nowadays. So that's one thing that y'all gotta take with a grain of salt when we get to the full review. I'm just warning y'all ahead of time. Alright, but other than that, yeah man, let's get into this. Let's go. I'm gonna load up my apps now. I'm gonna set it up and we're gonna get this rolling. Alright, I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. We out of here.